Hello, hello, hello. Back at it. Alright. Alright, so let's just see if we can figure out what this will try and catch, yeah? So we have this will catch any character between A and Z and 0 and 9 with a multiplier, and then any 0 to 9. And this is an optional. I can't understand all of this, but we can stick this in our regex validator, and it will tell us. So match a single character present in the list below. So A to Z, 0 to 9. Previous token between 0 and unlimited times, many times possible. So it will keep on. This is going to be done as many times as necessary. Yeah. Single character between 0 and 9. Matches a single character in the list. Case insensitive. Negative look ahead. Line terminators as many times as possible. And then it's insensitive. Okay. Cool. I was just to get like a sense of what I could be saying. But anyway, so let's declare this function call. Okay. Oh, that just to go through. So it's looking for things like this, things that call functions, because our functions are called as such. Okay, cool. That's dope. Declare two number list function that takes an args and implicitly returns the result of splitting the args by commas. Then chain a map method to your split method and pass in parse float as an argument to the map method. Let's take this step by step, shall we? To number list as a function that will implicitly return something, so we'll deal with that next. But we know that we take args and we want to split args, split with a comma. I can't remember how to call that, so I'm gonna check real quick. I'm gonna be lazy about it at the same time, because why not? Takes a pattern and divides this string in an ordered list of substitutes. It's an array and returns an array. So we get separator and then limit. So I'll put my separator in there. But does the separator need to be a string? Let's see if I can get out just a more straightforward. Yeah, it does need to be a string, doesn't it? It does need to be a string. Okay. My args by commas. So that's my separator. But then I need to chain a map to this map and pass in parse float. That's the argument for that. Cool. So splitting is taking the argument that comes in, whatever the argument is, and returning an array of comma separated values, and then we are taking that and we're mapping it to pass floats. We're taking each element and making a float, I believe. Yeah, that's what the mount does, is it takes each element of an array and then it performs an action on it. In this case, that shall be making it a float. So, cool. Declare an apply function that takes a func and, okay. So I defined the functionality yet, but we'll take a quick message from our enablers before we proceed to give you what you need. Please. Cheese. Oui. Alright. Fly me to the moon. There's a movie coming out soon. Oh, sorry, we've gone to the next stage, haven't we? The fn parameter will be the name of a function such as sum. Update apply to implicitly return the function found at the fn property of your spreadsheet functions object. Okay. So we're going to implicitly return I should have written this down. Dot notation was alright, one second guys. And there you have the inside scoop into life as a dad. Anyway, so bracket notation, dot notation. Dot notation, we need to know what's there. right? Bracket notation will resolve itself. So I think I'm going to use dot notation here. And I'm going to check that afterwards. So we're saying spreadsheet functions dot. I feel like it should be bracket now. Whatever is at fn, but fn might not come in as in lowercase. So to lower case, I believe I can do, unless that's Python. And I think I can do this. I might not be able to. Because I'm getting that error there. Some unexpected. So I don't think that should be unexpected. Because I'm looking at oh wait, hold on. Yeah, dot notation, so I don't need to do that. I can do that instead for dot notation. Because if it was bracket notation, I wouldn't need a dot. There. Let's see. It should be bracket notation. Oh, okay. Where's my specific functions object? Yeah. Yeah, I would have thought that's it. Yeah, it's not. Let's see if I'm losing my head. am I supposed to use the lowercase? Yeah, 2 lowercase. How am I supposed to use the 2 lowercase method? Oh, I'm using the lowercase method wrong. So it's functions. Yeah. Okay, so it's bracket notation. And then I need to apply the 2 lowercase to it. Cool. Okay. Right. I think I need to go read that again though. That document I found that explained the difference between bracket and dot location, because that put in terms I really understood, but I didn't take notes and therefore I forgot. Well, your apply function is returning the spreadsheet function, but actually apply and update apply to call the function, passing the result of calling to number list with args as an okay. So I call the function like this because let's see what's median. Median is it takes nums, so I call it in the thingy, and then I can to number list args. Yeah. So when we call this, we're returning, like for instance, sum, but sum takes arguments. So let's say medians, because it's right here. Median takes an argument when you call it. So we're, let's say, replacing all of this with medians and then passing in the arguments here. Voila. Cool. I'm going to call it there. Well, thank you guys for rocking with me whenever you do. I hope this is helpful. Keep turning up, guys. Keep turning up. Let's make this